Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have 10 days of deals starting the 17th, this Friday, through the 26th. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing, hyping, becoming a channel member. Let's just jump right in. We got 10 days of deals, and it looks like the August parking lot sale was leaked. A la credit to Mr. Crasher. So we'll look at that at the end just briefly, but we'll do our own coverage soon. But we're going to do 10 days of deals. And we're not going to listen to it, but we'll watch it. 10 days of deals starting Friday. This is, I can't see his name, but Harbor Freight, not Will Smith. Starting the 17th. Good array of things. Deal of the day 1. Friday, July 17th is 30% off all titanium welding. So it looks like he has it all in the background here. Deal of the day, number 1, all titanium welding, July 17th. Looks like we got the helmets, of course, the welders. It looked like the welding table and some welding tidbits that go along with the table. And here's the big one. This is a sneak peek to the rest of the 10 days of deals. Looks like we got a G2. Is that, what does that say? 14-inch locking flex head ratchet. So some G2 ratchets, Apache 2800 case, Braun 1000 lumens, the gun light. We have, what else do we got here? We got some Icon sockets. Can't really tell which sockets those are, but we got some Icon sockets in the building. Professional deep sockets. Bauer 30%. Lightweight, the 1800 PSI. What is this? Is that the pressure washer? We got the Icon meme tool. Wonder what kind of discount they'll give on that. There's some good discounts on that sometimes. Hopefully they discount it deeply. Bauer starter kit, 5 amp hour battery and charger. Then we have the Hercules starter kit, 5 amp hour and a 4 amp hour battery, or 5 amp hour battery with the 4 amp charger. So Hercules kits there as well. Then we have the Viking 1000 watt jump starter. We got some Maguire, we got the titanium, and we have the professional torque wrench, 1/2-inch drive, 50 to 250 foot-pound torque wrench from Icon, engineered for precision and accuracy. And actually, I think this time we've gotten a really good look at everything that's in the basket. We got some Maguires, the socket sets, Bauer and Hercules starter kit, Apache, Icon meme tool, G2 flex head ratchet, and the Icon torque wrench. They've filled, oh, and the Bauer pressure washer, they filled the cart really well this time, so where we can see everything. So that's the 10 days of deals. That's deal of the day 1, and I think we did get it all based on how it's packaged. So of course we'll look to see what kind of percentages off we have. In the past we've had, 30 to 40% off most deal of the day items. So we'll look at that. And then of course, again, credit to Mr. Crasher, we have the parking lot sale, and we'll just focus for now on the main heavy hitters. 35% off all Quinn hand tools, in store only. Hand tools. So they have a picture of a torque wrench, the wrenches, and some of the sets. So interesting what they'll include exactly with the hand tools. But 35% off all Quinn hand tools is solid. Not 40%, but 35% we can live with. 25% off all US General and Franklin carts. Mechanic service, tech table, and utility. So that's interesting because we did have a deal of the day where the Franklin carts were 40% off. US General storage days tend to be 20-25% off. So that's a decent deal. 30% off all Icon torque wrenches and breaker bars. Mr. Sam was accurate. 30% off. They have dropped these. These at one point were 40% off. 40% off. I didn't think they'd go down below 35%, but here we are, 30% off only, which is still a good deal. But 30% off all Icon torque wrenches and breaker bars in store only. From in the past, we've seen 40% off. And then 40% off all clamps. 40% off all clamps in store only. That's probably a sleeper deal there. 40% off clamps. Everybody should be picking up some clamps at that percentage off. And then here they've added this since the last parking lot sale. They had Bauer here last time. Was it Bauer? And then they had Hercules stuffed into the corner. Buy a Hercules starter kit, get a free tool, 8 to choose from, get the battery and the charger. This is interesting because we just saw it on the 10 days of deals. There's going to be a starter kit, Hercules, that exact starter kit, part of the 10 days of deals. So I wonder how that will happen, but you'll have a lot of chances to get some starter kits. But anyways, quick review on everything. Parking lot sale has been leaked. Thank you, Crasher. These are the main deals. We'll find some time to go over the entire flyer and then, of course, wait for the digital copy to come out. And then 10 days of deals. We'll keep our eye out. We're going to be busy. Let me know which one of these things you guys are excited about. We got some, it looks like a decent summer coming up. Some decent deals. And we'll leave it at that, Harbros. Let me know what you think. As usual, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.